When it comes to Proton VPN versus Mullvad VPN, choosing the best overall service versus the best option for bargain hunters comes down to a few key differences, and I'm about to break them down for you. You might think these two VPNs are similar, but as we dive into the details, you'll see why they're not created equal. First off, let's talk about performance. Proton VPN is known for its strong speeds and its expansive server network across the globe. While it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-performance VPN, it's worth noting that Proton VPN has a more premium pricing model, especially if you want access to all its features like streaming support and the highest speeds. On the other hand, Mullvad VPN offers a much simpler, no-frills service. Its performance is solid, but you won't get quite the same speed boost that Proton offers, especially with the free plan limitations. Next thing, let's look at privacy and security. Proton VPN, being based in Switzerland, benefits from strong privacy laws, which adds an extra layer of reassurance for anyone concerned about data privacy. It uses excellent encryption and supports secure tunneling protocols. However, Proton does ask for an email address to create an account, which some people might find a little more intrusive compared to Mullvad. Mullvad VPN takes a different approach. You can use Mullvad without ever providing an email address or personal information, which is a huge plus for privacy purists. And despite the minimalistic approach, Mullvad doesn't skimp on security. It offers strong encryption, and with its open source software, transparency is at the heart of its operations. But there's no denying that Mullvad's server network isn't as extensive as Proton's, so that's something to keep in mind if you're looking for the widest global reach. Moving on to pricing, this is where Mullvad really shines. If you're a bargain hunter looking for a simple, no-strings-attached VPN, Mullvad's flat rate pricing of around €5 per month is hard to beat. No gimmicks, no confusing tiers, just straightforward pricing that gives you full access to all features. On the flip side, Proton VPN is pricier, especially for its Plus and Visionary plans. But Proton does offer a free version, though it's limited in terms of speed, servers, and features. The next thing to consider is streaming support. If you're planning to use your VPN for accessing Netflix or other streaming services, Proton VPN is the better option here. It does a great job of unblocking content from multiple regions, making it ideal for those who want to bypass geo-restrictions. Mullvad VPN, however, doesn't advertise itself as being particularly good for streaming, so if unblocking your favorite shows is important, Proton VPN should be your go-to. Now let's talk about ease of use. Proton VPN's interface is sleek, user-friendly, and modern. But when you dive into Mullvad's interface, you'll notice it's much more basic. This isn't a huge issue if you just want a VPN that gets the job done, but Proton does cater to those looking for a more polished experience. Mullvad's minimalistic interface might be a deal breaker for anyone looking for a more feature-rich dashboard. Finally, let's talk about the support. Proton VPN has strong customer support through email, but it lacks 24/7 live chat. Mullvad, on the other hand, has a much more limited support structure. You'll find fewer options for direct contact, and it's more community-driven support, which might be a drawback if you want immediate assistance. So, while both VPNs serve different purposes, Proton VPN is better if you need strong performance, streaming support, and extensive servers worldwide, whereas Mullvad is unbeatable if you're on a budget and value complete privacy. I have to say there's another VPN that might outperform both for the goal of getting the best value with top-notch performance. After trying both of these myself, I recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. It's a VPN that offers the best of both worlds: speed, privacy, and affordability, all wrapped into one.